All right, can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Please confirm if you can
Yeah,
hear
we can
me.
hear you now.
Okay,
We can hear
good.
you now.
Yes, we
All
can.
right. All right, good. I'm going to mute everyone so that. Okay, good. So let's move ahead now. So we have used absolute referencing for this. Okay, so let's try and copy this, and paste it here. So the formula is just going to be used all through. Now, the fact that you are copying and pasting the formula, make sure you still confirm if things worked well. So, for example, 5 times 1, 5, 1 times 1, 1, 3 times 1, 3, blah, blah, blah. 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 3, 12. Okay, so it worked. Yeah. So let's see. Now, so it means that this would also change the total score. But then you will need to verify that also. Let's look at the formula here. The formula here is B5 to J5. B5 to J5. Of course, that's wrong. So this time around, we're not going to be adding all of that together. What we will do is not that. We'll say equals sum. You double click on sum, open bracket. So these are the things you will add. You will add this one. You won't add the one again. You add this, then plus okay, plus this. Can you see E5 is showing now? Plus this, plus you are supposed to add the product, plus this. You close your bracket, enter. 49. So 49, you drag it down so that the formula can apply. Good. All right. So this is the total score. So from this total score, you can know which profession to go for. But then imagine that these scores is for about 1,000 careers. That would be a lot. So you can't use your eyes to do it, okay? So, and that's why you need to use Excel to simplify things for you. So it's just because it's about 5 now that you can easily just say that, oh, 65 is the highest, all right? But let's do conditional formatting. Even before we go to the charts, try to highlight all these, go to conditional formatting, come to tab top bottom row, say top 10%, top 10%. It will give you the highest number. Click on it, all right? So the top 10%, you want it to be colored in light red, filled with dark red text. So the first 10%, the first number that is highest will be highlighted. Boom. Can you see 65 highlighted? Yeah, from there, you can even know the one that is highest. But aside that, we can do our charts, all right? So let me remove this absolute and relative referencing. So let me highlight this. I'll come to insert. Insert, I'll come to this. I'll click on this. I'll click on 3D column. When I click on 3D column, here we are. So it's representing it as a column chart now. All right, so let's do some abracadabra here. So we can click this and you can click this and change it to career career decision chart. Good. Career decision chart. try to double click on it so that you can change the, I like to play around different text. Let me use this agency FB. You can decide to leave the size as 14. You can decide to bolden it, but I don't think I want to bolden it. Then the color of the text, let's change it to black. Yeah. And then what other things can we change there? All right, let's leave it that way. Yeah, come to this side, and change this. Can you see this? Boom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, another thing you can do is this. Come out, and then click on the stuff and then right click. When you right click, say select data. Select data. Select data. We want to change. Now look at this horizontal line. It's just naming it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we want the carriers to be there. So edit the horizontal line and then go and highlight what you want there. Go and highlight what you want there. I want the McDonald's, blah, blah, blah to be there. All right. It has given me the range here. I'll say, okay. And then I'll say, okay. Now look at it. So McDonald's, blah, 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 all here now. Okay. Now I can go further. Still my right click. I'll do 3D rotation. All right. Hold on. I want you to see it very well. Let me bring this here. I want you to see it very well. So 3D rotation. Let me change this to 50. Can you see the way it's moving? Good, 50. All right. And then I can come up and look at the glow and yeah, let me tamper with the glow. The glow here, let's do like 21. Okay, before I do this, you can do without this, but let me finish the other thing so that it depends on you. You may not do this clothing that I'm about to do. So, but let me finish other things first. All right. So look at these three steep things. Let's walk around all of them. So let me click this plus button. The axis. Okay. The axis is already marked. All right. You have the primary and horizontal, primary and vertical, which is this and this. All right. That's marked already. Beautiful. So let me axis titles. Okay. Let's fix that. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here. This will be career options. All right. Career options. I would click 3 times and then change it to this. I'll leave it as 10 and then I'll change it to black. All right. Then I can come here, change the fill to yellow. All right, good. Yep. And then I can come here, double click and change this to the total score. Total score. All right. And then I can double click 3 times and then change it to this. Change this to black. And then I can come here, change it to yellow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, good. So that is that for axis titles. All right. So the axis titles, you can also play around it. All right. You can do primary and all of that. You can, click this, but you can take it back. All right. So let's both are needed. So let's career options. All right. Career options. Let's do this. Career options, black, and then you come to the field, you fill it up. All right. So that's that about that. So he has this titles sorted out. Chart title, we've done that. That's the career decision chart. Data labels. Do you want your data to show on the column? Let's leave it. Okay. Data table. No, that one will make it ugly. Grid lines. Look at the grid lines. All right. We can use different kinds of grid lines. Okay. Now we have the major horizontal. Look at this. Major horizontal. We can make it major vertical. Can you see? Then the tiny horizontal, which they call minor horizontal. So tiny lines horizontally, tiny lines vertically. I think I like this. Okay, then the legend. You don't need the legend, except if you are doing color, demarcation and all of that. If you have different colors to note, but here we have just blue color, so there's no point. All right, so let's come to this. We have sorted this one. Let's come to this. So we have different styles, okay? We have different styles. Can you see different styles? So when I move my cursor on it, it will change. Come to this, come to this, come to this, all right? Come to this, come to this, and then come to this, come to this, come to this, and come to this, okay? I don't think I like any of them. I think I'm okay with the ones we have done before. Then you can change your colors and change your colors, can change your colors, change your colors, can change your colors, change your colors, change your colors. Boom. I think I like this. In this yellow. All right. In this yellow. Yeah. You can try any of those colors. Okay. Yeah. And then this filter. So imagine that I just want to see only McDonald, Doctor, and NFL. Let me unclick engineer and let me shift this up. Um, okay. So let me shift this up. It's blocking something there. Uh, it's blocking this apply. So let me unclick this and unclick this. So apply. So you can see just three showing, all right? Maybe that's the only three I want to show. You can make it, you can do it anyhow, it depends on you. So, but I'll just, and if I say select, I'm unclicking everything, which is not possible anyway, but I'll rather select everything and go back to where I started from. Beautiful. All right, so I've finished all of that. What else can we do again? What else, what else, what else? Okay, I think we are done. Good. So let's try and bring it to, um, let's try and bring it here. Let's try and bring it here. Let's reduce it a bit, and then we bring it here. Okay, and let's try and zoom this thing a bit. All right, good. All right, good, 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 good. All right, good. So let's do the second one, or let me do the let's do the second one. No, so the second one for another set of career blah blah blah. Let me just copy the data, and then so imagine that this same person is considering another set of um, job career. I'm just doing it again for you to understand all that I did here. Okay, so let's change this to career. All right. And then, so look at this now. Aha. This will also help you to know one or two things again. Now look at this. Here, up here, you have the importance factor, right? and then you're having job market here. So what do? So you highlight all this, you right click, you say insert, and you say move cells right. It will move it to the right. Can you see? It has created space for that. So you can click all of this, insert, move cells right. It will push you to the right. All right. You highlight all of this, insert, you move it, and then you're trying to create the space for the importance factor. Okay, so for this one, so maybe job market, still 5, and enjoyment, or maybe, yeah, enjoyment, maybe 4, talent, maybe 3, pay, 2. I mean, it depends on you, what you think is so important. So here, do the formula equals um this times this. But don't forget, we are going to use our absolute referencing. We'll put the dollar sign in between, okay? Enter, you have to. And then you can stretch it. You come to this edge, you stretch it down, boom. So 4 times 2, 8, 5 times 2, 10, blah, blah, blah. So let's highlight all this and copy it and just drop it. Copy and paste formula. Copy and paste formula. Copy and paste formula. Copy and paste formula. Beautiful. All right. So let's look at the total score. Total score. Yeah. So here you have some, just like we did the other time. So, but we have to be very observant of what we are adding this time around. Okay. So 2 plus 25 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1. You close bracket equals. All right. So you can then drag it down to give you your total scores. Beautiful. All right. So you can do your conditional formatting and top 10, and boom. Yeah, 51 is the highest. All right. No waste of time. Let's quickly do our what is it now? Good. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So, okay. Where are we now? So let's do this and then come to our tables, and then we click this. All right. So, um, career, career, what is it now? Career decision. On a lighter note, I hope somebody is not going to use this to screen all the boyfriend or girlfriends in their lives to know who is going to end up with them. Just on a lighter note, um, career decision chart. I hope you are not going to create this and say, hey, what are the factors for that babe or for those babes that are running after you? Okay. Um, let's do this. Let's do this. Black. And what else again? Let's fill this. Yellow. And then what else again? What else again? All right, we're done. So select data. Let's edit the whatever. Um, yeah, this time around, broadcaster, doctor, PFC manager, footballer, data analyst. So you want to know which one to go for. All right. Okay. Bim. There you go. There you go. There you go. Somebody is saying order of importance now. Oh, that's funny. All right. So let's drag this one down a bit. Drag it down a bit. All right. So we've done this. Okay. So what next? Let's go for this. So axis. Let's do axis titles. So this one will give us um, career options. Okay, career options. Take 3 times. You agency, black, black. Okay, and then this yellow. Okay, I think that's that about that. Um, total score. Total score. Click 3 times. Agency FB. What else? What else? What else? Agency FB. Um, okay, black, 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 and then you can have your yellow. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Okay. Yep. Good. So what next? What next? What next? What next? Okay. Let's close this, and then let's come to this. Data labels. You want the data to be showing on top of the whatever. Okay. Let's do that. Data table. No. Grid lines. Let's use our those tiny, tiny lines. Okay, legend, no, just one color, so no point. All right, good, good, good. So let's try style and all of that. All of these styles, I don't really, yeah, let's use colors, 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 colors. Yep, like this color, yellow purple. Okay, good. Then your filter, if you like, you can tamper with any of these and apply, but then we don't need it. So good, 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 good. So let's try and drag this, reduce it a bit, and drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. Let's drag it and drag it. I want some space to be in between them. So don't worry, so I need to make this one, I want to put some spaces insert. I want to take it down. Okay, trying to take it down to go down a bit more. Okay, has it matched this? Okay, yeah. So I think we have some space now. Let me take this back. Good job, good job, good job. All right, so let me zoom it a bit. Yeah, this is what we have done. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. All right, let's do this. Um, and let's do this, bolding it for these letters. Uh, I don't want to be bold so that everything is not just bold, bold, bold. Uh, for this, for this, and this, we unbolding it. Okay, good. What else? What else? What else? What else? Bolding, 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 bolding. It's just all about arrangement. Okay, so as a data analyst, you must be able to arrange things in such a way that people will love it. when they see it. They love it when they see it because you'll be making presentation to your bosses. So you want it to look gang. You want it to look fine. All right. I wanted to do something the other time. Well, okay, let me try and do this first so that you have an idea. So let's do this. Let me go to print. Go to print, no scaling. I'll come to fit sheet on one page. Boom. All right. You know, it was scattered before. Let me go back. No scaling. You can imagine about 4 pages. That's a waste of paper and doesn't even make sense, you know, the arrangement. So on one page, so boom, on one page, then instead of portrait, I'll go for landscape orientation. Beautiful. And then I'll come to save as, and then where should I save it? Let me browse, let me go to desktop and then Pratica 1.1. I'm going to save it as PDF. PDF is usually beautiful, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, good. Good. Can you see it now? You love what you see. All right, good. Okay, but then that's just that. But then I'm trying to just, I like to put some salt and pepper. So let me do this. Let me do this 3D rotation, and then let me do this glow. I want it to glow. 21. Let's make it 21. I want it to glow. 50. And then let me change this. No, let me change this. This. Good. All right. Good. Let me do this for this one too. I want it to glow. I want it to glow. Change this. No. Change this to 21. I change this to 50. 50, and then I'll change this to yellow. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. So let's do this for um for let's see the difference. Let's see the difference in our whatever. Let's see the difference. Let's see the difference. Good. All right, good. So let's what else can we do? Now you can actually extract this. So let me do this and go to save as, desktop. Don't worry, I'm just saving it as something anyhow. PDF. So you know, because I clicked that image, yeah, it brought out only that image. Can you see how beautiful it is? Beautiful. All right, let's click on this, and then we can save as desktop. Let's do this. PDF. PDF is usually beautiful, so try to be using PDF. Beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. One more thing before we go. I doubt if time will allow us, but let's try. So let me. Okay. I want to create a report. and to create a report. I'm going to Word document. I'll say career decision. Time may not allow us, but let's try career decision. Yeah, career decision report. Mr. Sheyi Makinde, total score versus career options. Let's do this. Yep. Let's copy it. Copy. Yep. So Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, they are both produced by Microsoft company. So they work together. All right. So let's put the conclusion here. No. Let's put the conclusion here. Conclusion. Going by the chart above, Mr. Sheyi Makinde can, now look at this language, can consider, okay, is a recommendation, can consider an engineering, you're not a commander as a data analyst, you're just analyzing, so can consider, consider an engineering career. This has the potential of good pay, work enjoyment, easy access to job market, etc. All right, going by the chart below, Mr. Sheyi can consider an engineering career. This has the potential of a good pay, work enjoyment, easy access to job, blah, 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 blah. All right. Yeah, you're welcome. Loving this. Yeah. All right. So let's go for the second one. That's that for that. Number 2, total score. Okay, the first one we did, job, career options, options set 1. So this one will be set 2. Set 2. Set 2. Set 2. Okay. So let's try and copy the image. Copy.